All right, folks, we have got a gem for you here today. This is a 1960 Impala. And it's a stick. And it keeps getting better. 1960 Impala, two-door hardtop. But right here, it is a 348 with 3 deuces. You guys can see up under there. 3 little 2 barrels. I believe they were Rochesters, am I right? Got the dual snorkel air cleaner. Notice the orientation of that air cleaner, guys. See the openings? Notice that. And look at that master cylinder. Goes real fast, stops real slow. Beautiful grill in this car. 1960, what a beautiful car. Check out the little fins on the hood. I don't know why I called those fins. Little, they'd be called fins, would they? Let's look at the styling of this car. It's long and sleek. Just look at this. God, it's got that bubble top on it. I like that. I really do. Look how they did this. Chrome around the back window with little black inserts painted in. And the back seat back there. Let's see if I can get an anti-glare picture. There we go. Look at that. Ain't that cool? And that curvy little shifter. Woo. It's got right side mirror on it too. Like a rocket. The back end of this car. 2 red and a clear. Really looks good the way they did the styling on this car. This car is really nice shape. Man, I bet this car's fun to drive. 120 on the speedo, you know it'll do it too. I think Junior Johnson raced one of these, I believe. 60 or 61, number 3 on the door. Pretty sure. It's warm in here, folks. I'm struggling. Bear with me. Look at that. I think that fan shroud is metal. I don't want to touch anybody's car. I'm pretty sure that's metal. I've parted out a couple early Impalas. They were metal fan shrouds on them. Yeah, they did the battery hold downs, made the battery clamps back in the day. Ain't cool? There's your exhaust manifolds. Bow tie on the valve cover. There's some linkage for you. All right, folks. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up on this video. And if you got some time, we've been doing this for 3 years. We've got about 700 videos on the channel. It would really help us out, help out the algorithms if you could scroll down and check out some of the other videos. There's got to be some other stuff you like. If you could watch 2 or 3 other videos, that would be great. We do all kinds of stuff from car collections, private car collections, to junkyards. A lot of stuff hidden in the junkyards still. And we do some car races and car racing. We each have race cars of our own. And we do cars, I think I said car shows already. And sometimes we do some how-to. We're fixing up cars, how to do certain things. A lot of this stuff's getting to be a lost art on fixing some of this stuff. So scroll down, find a video that you like, or 2 or 3, and spend the afternoon with Bob's Classic Cars and Parts and hit the thumbs up on each video, and that really helps us. And that has been working. I've noticed the views have gone up quite a bit, about 20%. Well, maybe not quite 20, about 17%. And the older videos are doing better. They're starting to get some views again. So I appreciate you guys who are doing that. It really does help us. All right, folks, so Bob out. Thank you.